The last part from my side is just to tell you about how it looks like the axial piston pump. As you saw, it's a really simple operation. We have a bare minimum internal pumps. We have the pistons, we have the source plate, and we have some other benefits that, like, for example, we are not using oil for lubrication. We are lubricating all the internal parts by the same media. In this case, it's the water. And this is quite easy installation. The maintenance can be done on site. That is quite important. And we are training in all the plants, or most of the plants, we can train the people so they can do it by themselves, all the maintenance and service that is needed. And obviously, this equipment is quite, let's say, fits quite well on desalination plants on islands, on hotels and so on, because of the compact design. The footprint that we need, as you saw on these pictures before, is quite small, and we can save also a space between the trains to do all the service and operation that we need.